Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
I'm not asking these questions facetiously, please understand. What does your interpretation, or how does it differ in principle from the basic Jewish Christian ethic of the Ten Commandments? How does it differ?
There is no difference.
All right, then if that's the case, what have you to offer? When I say you, I mean in person.
Yes, yes.
Basically,
Yes.
what have you to offer that is different than the Christian ethos, or the Jewish ethos?
Because, as I have told you, that none of them are strictly following God's commandment. I simply come that you follow God's commandment. That is my message.
In other words, the obeying
Yes.
of those principles.
I don't say that you Christian, you become Hindu or you come to me. I simply say you obey this commandment. That is my order. I make you better Christian. That is my mission. I don't say that God is not there, God is here. But I simply say that you obey God. That is my mission. I don't say that you have to come to this platform and accept Krishna as God and no other. No, I don't say. I then say, please obey God. Please try to love God. That is my mission.
Then again,
And I give the way how to love God. Very easily. How to learn, providing we agree.
we see again, we get back to this.
So, practically you follow that I have no difference.
Yes, I understand.
Yes.
I appreciate it.
You believe in God, I believe in God.
Yes.
I simply say you try to love God.
Well, I'm still, it's not that I'm confused. I understand what you're saying.
You are confused still?
No, I understand what you are saying. What confuses me or makes it, when I say me and so many of our readers, is why is it? Let me ask the question again, and let me ask it maybe to become clear in my mind. I don't want to put words in your mouth, but let me say it this way. Are you saying that if your mission and the mission of the Jewish, Christian, Western ethic is the same? Again, let me ask the same question. Why is it that the younger people, or people in general, are disenchanted, are trying to go toward the Eastern-oriented religions if their aim or premise is the same as the Western?
Yes.
Why are they going toward the Eastern if the premise is the same?
Because these Christian people, they are not teaching them practical. I am teaching them practical.
In other words, you're teaching them what you feel is a practical,
Yes.
everyday, daily method
Yes.
of attaining this fulfillment of man's spirit.
How to the love of Godhead is being taught by Bible or Old Testament and Gita. That is all right. But you are not teaching them how to love God. I am teaching them how to love God. That is the difference. Therefore young people are attracted.
All right. So the end is the same, it's the method of getting there.
Not method. You are not at all following. Even the method is there. Just I say, the method is there. Don't kill, and you are killing.
I say, but the end is the same. Your
End is the same.
Is the same, but it's the way of
Method is also same.
Yeah.
But they are not teaching people to follow the method. I am teaching them practically how to follow and how to do it.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.